Mommy, how you take a big bite.
You like it?
Don't use your hands. Use your spoon, honey. Show Mommy how you can use your spoon. No, not on your face. What are you doing? Maybe it's because of the angle he's holding the... Oh! Jeez, it's like you've never had anything to eat before.
No, you can't have this nice soup.
He's not doing it now.
Of course not.
Because I'm taking it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, a little bit.